Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive deep into the products that matter most to you. Today, we're looking at the Waring Commercial MX1500XTX blender, a powerful tool designed for those who want both performance and durability in the kitchen. With features like a 3.5 HP motor, a programmable LCD display, and noise-reducing technology, this blender claims to deliver on both efficiency and quiet operation. Let's see how it measures up in real-world use. The Waring Commercial MX1500XTX blender is a heavy-duty, industrial-grade blender designed for commercial kitchens or high-volume home use. At its core, it features a 3.5 HP motor that promises exceptional blending power, capable of tackling tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and even nuts. The blender boasts a 64 ounces BPA-free copolyester container that's not only durable, but also lightweight. The standout feature here is its noise-reducing sound enclosure, which helps keep the loud blender noise to a minimum, ideal for busy kitchens or environments where noise is a concern. On top of that, it offers a 4-programmable recipe LCD display with an electronic membrane keypad, so it's easy to operate with customizable settings. When it comes to user experience, setting up the Waring MX1500XTX was straightforward. The electronic keypad and blue backlit LCD screen made it easy to navigate through the settings, even for someone who isn't familiar with high-end blenders. Once powered up, I tested it with a variety of ingredients. First, I blended a smoothie with frozen fruits, ice, and almond milk. The motor didn't break a sweat, delivering a smooth consistency without any chunks. The adjustable speed controls are a great feature, allowing you to fine-tune the blending to suit different recipes. The sound reduction technology definitely made a noticeable difference. It was much quieter than most commercial blenders I've used in the past. In a high-energy kitchen, this feature would undoubtedly be appreciated. However, no product is without its downsides. The Waring MX1500XTX is built for power, and with that comes its size. It's a bulky machine, which may be a challenge for smaller kitchens or those with limited countertop space. Additionally, while the sound enclosure is a solid feature, it does add to the overall size, making the unit even more cumbersome. As for cleaning, while the container is easy to rinse, the sound enclosure and motor base require a bit more effort to keep spotless, especially when used frequently. For some users, this could be a deal breaker, though the blender's performance might outweigh the inconvenience. When comparing this blender to other models in the same price range, the Waring MX1500XTX certainly stands out with its power and noise-reducing features. If you're looking for a commercial-grade blender with customizable settings, it's hard to ignore its capabilities. But there are other blenders like the Vitamix Quiet 1 that also offer noise reduction, but at a slightly higher price point. The Waring model, however, delivers more horsepower and a larger container for those who need larger batch sizes, which makes it a solid choice for high-demand kitchens. In terms of build quality, the Waring MX1500XTX feels incredibly solid. The polycarbonate container and durable motor base give it the kind of robust feel you expect from a professional blender. The sound enclosure, while plastic, seems well constructed and does a good job of keeping noise levels in check. Based on industry standards for commercial blenders, it's clear that Waring has put significant thought into the durability and functionality of this unit. As for long-term use, there's no reason to believe this blender won't last, considering its commercial-grade build. The reputation of Waring as a brand known for creating durable kitchen appliances further supports this. While I didn't need to reach out for customer support during testing, it's worth mentioning that Waring has a strong reputation for after-sales service. Customers have reported positive experiences with their support team, particularly when it comes to resolving any issues with warranties or product functionality. If you ever do need assistance, you can expect a quick and helpful response from the company, which adds an extra layer of confidence in the product. If we look at the overall value for money, the Waring MX1500XTX is certainly on the higher end of the pricing spectrum. However, its power, noise reduction, and customizable features make it a solid investment for anyone who regularly works with high-volume blending. If you're looking for a professional-grade blender with these capabilities, the cost is justified. For home users or those on a budget, though, this might be overkill unless you're a serious blender enthusiast or need it for a high-demand setting. To wrap it all up, the Waring MX1500XTX 3.5 HP blender is a top-tier option for those who need power, durability, and quiet operation. Its 3.5 HP motor and programmable settings make it a versatile option for both commercial kitchens and home users with serious blending needs. However, the size and weight may be an issue for those with limited space, and the cleaning process might not be as straightforward as some would like. Still, for its price, it offers excellent performance and durability that should last for years, making it a solid choice for high-demand environments. If you're after a blender that combines power with quiet operation, and you're willing to make room for a larger, more robust machine, the Waring MX1500XTX is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV today. If you've got questions or thoughts about the Waring MX1500XTX, feel free to drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to upgrade your blending game, check out the link in the comments box for more details. Goodbye for now, and remember, inside every great review is an even greater product. See you next time.